This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage display contrast on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Increased contrast is one of the many accessibility features in macOS. It helps users with low and impaired vision read the computer's display more easily. But anyone can use the feature to make the interface more legible. Once enabled, every UI element, whether it's just a text box or a button, has a pronounced black border around it. So, how to manage this display contrast on your MacBook? You can open your system preferences and go to accessibility. From accessibility, you can click on display and you'll find there is an option on the display section. There is an option increase contrast. If you click on that, so the contrast on your MacBook will be increased like this. You can see the difference. And also you can also more increase the display contrast, and here you can adjust in here if you slide to right, so the contrast will be more strong, and if you slide to left it turns out like this. So here's where you can manage the display contrast on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to manage display contrast on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.